Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and in today's video I'm going to be taking out these mini twists. I love to watch when people take their hairstyles down to see how their natural hair looks. So I want to take these out with you guys and see how big my hair can possibly get. But before we get into the video, I also have a clothing review from King's Clothing Royalty. So if you guys want to see that review and how my hair looks after I take it out of these mini twists, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so if you follow me on Instagram, you know I work with a ton of clothing companies. I love clothes. So for today's clothing review, I want to give a huge shout out to King's Clothing Royalty for sponsoring this video and for sending me these pieces, which I will show you all now. So the first thing that I'm actually going to show you is a shirt that I have on. When I posted this on Instagram, you guys actually really liked the shirt. So I'm going to show it. This is what the shirt looks like. It says, "I am not ashamed to be different." And then this is what it says in the back. It says, "Different is good." So as you can see, it's pretty much a basic t-shirt, but I really do love like a basic tee with a dope saying. I really love the quality of this shirt as well. Typically when it comes to simple designs like this one, sometimes the actual t-shirt quality is not great, but this one is actually really good quality. So I really like that, and I love the font because it's nice and bold, and as I said, it's a very simple saying, but it's still like a bold statement. So I love it. So if you guys were wondering, even though I tagged them on Instagram, if you guys are wondering where I got the shirt from, it's from King's Clothing Royalty. And by the way, I'm going to link their website down below as well. So the next thing I'm going to review for you guys is their face mask. So you guys know we are still going through a pandemic, and it's better to be safe than sorry. So to keep yourself protected and to keep others protected, wear your mask. And King's Clothing Royalty has a really dope mask. I actually don't own any other mask like this. I usually have like the simple kind of looking mask, but this one looks like this. So I'll post a picture of how you would wear this, and it's dope because it's a K, Kendra. And it's blue. So I really love this. But basically this goes over your head, and then it's also gonna cover like your neck, and it can cover as high or as low, but it should be covering your nose as you would like it to be. So the next two pieces I'm going to share are two hoodies that I also received from them. As I see from their pieces, their company is basically like really simple yet bold kind of statements on their clothing. So this is a simple like hoodie. It's a nice pink hoodie, but in the back it has a really dope phrase. So if you look on their website, they have a lot of like basic clothing pieces, but they have like either their logo, which is pretty dope, or their like a bold statement as I showed you with the shirt and stuff like that. So the next piece is also a hoodie, and this is a white hoodie, and I love white hoodies. Like I don't know, it just looks so clean and fresh, so I can't wait. Obviously it's way too hot to be wearing this right now, but I cannot wait until like the fall and winter season. And this one is pretty simple. It just has their logo here, and honestly my favorite thing might be their logo. The K with the crown on top of it is fire. Yeah, that's the last piece that I am showing you from King's Clothing Royalty. So again, be sure to check them out. Their link is in the description box if you guys like this shirt or the mask or any of the hoodies. They also have a ton of other items on their website. Be sure to click the link in my bio to check them out. And again, thank you King's Clothing Royalty for sponsoring this video and for sending me these items. And yeah, so now let's get into this hair. By the way, you guys, I am feeling good today. As you can possibly see, my energy is up. I drank a lot of coffee and I got an early birthday gift, so I'm really excited. I'm really happy. So I looked up people doing mini twist on 3A, 3B hair type. That's the hair type that I think I have. And I found that girls with a similar hair type were able to do it. So I just copied what they did. I'll leave the links in the description box below in case you have the same hair type and want to try it out. But anyways, let's get into taking these down. If you guys want me to film this hairstyle when I do it again in the future, because I possibly will. It's really low maintenance and it looks cute. The only reason I'm going to take it out now is because I have to, because I have a photo shoot soon and I'm not using this hairstyle for that. But anyways, if you guys would like me to film this, then let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna leave the tutorial that I followed in the description box below. One of them was from Jasmine Brown. She's so dope when it comes to hair tutorials and stuff. So yeah, and we have similar hair type. Hers is a little bit thicker, but here goes nothing. I'm thinking about going to the dry bar to get a blowout because it's literally been years since I've gotten a blowout. I've straightened my hair obviously, but it's not the same as like getting a nice like blowout. I feel like when you get a blowout, your hair has so much like bounce, so I really wanted to try them out. Plus I saw that they give scalp massages and special treatments, and they specialize in their blowouts, so I really wanted to try them out. And I was thinking of treating myself for my birthday, so I was just gonna ask you guys, if you guys went, what was your experience like there? I know with COVID and everything, it's gonna be different anyway. Like, I'm contemplating if I should even go. I might just do it because like YOLO. I don't know. Okay, y'all, so I thought this was gonna be a lot different than what I've been seeing so far. So as I suspected, my hair kind of like little locks. I'm using a little bit of Olaplex number 7 bonding oil to help me so that I'm not pulling my hair a lot. This looks funny. So my hair is actually really moisturized, which is nice. I don't know, I was gonna try to brush it out and make my hair look really big, kind of like how it looked after I took out my box braids. But I just wanted to give a halfway check-in, you know, because I did one side already. I'll come back when I am done with this side. Wish me luck. And then once I come back, we'll decide if I should, well, I'll decide if I should actually brush it out and see if I should just kind of do some sort of hairstyle with this. Guys, I'm officially done. My hair looks really cool. Like, it's never been like this. It kind of looks like I have mini locks in a way, but then it's frizzy in some parts, so not fully. But it looks really cool. I don't know if you can see the detail on camera. It's just like a whole bunch of like little locks or something. So I really kind of like it. I had a comb ready to start like brushing through it, but look at this. But honestly, I'm a little bit scared and concerned that I'm just gonna be ripping out my hair. I didn't brush anything out really, but it did get a little knotty towards the ends, so I lost a little bit of hair. That's all. I'm sure when I wash it, it's gonna be there's gonna be some fallout, but that's to be expected because I had my hair in a protective style for a couple of days, almost a week or if not a week, so that's to be expected. But yeah, this is how it looks. I am going to head out. Don't worry, I am going to wear my mask and I'm going to be safe. I'm going to style my hair in some sort of hairstyle. So if you guys want to see what I end up styling my hair with, I am going to be posting pictures on Instagram because I did this cute little makeup look. So I am going to be posting pictures on Instagram. So if you guys want to see how I style my hair from this, then make sure to go check it out on Instagram. And yeah, thank you guys for hanging out with me. Thank you guys for watching. And please don't forget to give this video thumbs up. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!